Hi everyone, Joe Levine here, professional photographer and educator. The image I'm working on today is pretty straightforward with a couple small important details that make it all come together. I am using a macro lens because my main subject is a small blueberry on a fork and I want it to be really nice tight shot. When I first put the blueberry in, it kind of rolled back a little bit. I ended up using a little bit of a white wax directly behind the blueberry, propping it up, and it's just hidden back there. On the set, I have all these different forks creating highlights and shadows. I needed one of them to prop up a little bit. So similar to the blueberry, but this time I added a clamp. It's just coming off the end of the fork, it's propping it up, and that worked really well. I also wanted the blueberries to look nice and fresh, so I took the primary blueberry offset, and using a mixture of glycerin and water, I gave it a little spritz and then carefully put it back in there. From the lighting side, I have a single LED coming across the set. It's creating nice highlights and shadow and texture. However, with the forks being a shiny metal, they're kind of reflecting the studio. So I added in a white card right over the top of them. Now, we're just about done, except the blueberry had a little bit of a shadow, so a mirror's coming in. Real small mirror picks up some highlights, so we'll double check focus and see what we have.